Welcome to the Biotech Signals series of the Micromolar podcast. Today is Thursday, August 13, 2026.
Taiho and Cullinan reported that zipalertinib met its Phase 3 endpoint, strengthening its potential to compete with Johnson & Johnson's Rybrevant in EGFR-mutated lung cancer. The drug is already under FDA review in a later-line setting, so this additional success could ultimately support expansion.
Bankrupt Sangamo Therapeutics is selling selected assets to PTC Therapeutics and Eli Lilly for a combined $161 million, effectively breaking up pieces of its portfolio through the bankruptcy process. The transaction marks a difficult endpoint for a longtime gene therapy and genomic medicine developer.
PTC Therapeutics is committing $211 million in a transaction that gives it an entry into Fabry disease, expanding its already significant presence in rare genetic disorders. The asset emerged from the Sangamo process, making this both a meaningful pipeline expansion for PTC and part of the broader redistribution of Sangamo's portfolio.
PDS Biotechnology is stopping development of a Phase 3 cancer therapy and redirecting resources toward its colorectal cancer candidate. Walking away from a pivotal stage program is a major portfolio decision and suggests management believes the colorectal opportunity offers a substantially better use of the company's remaining capital.
Zealand Pharma has sold rights to future milestones and royalties associated with a rare blood cancer drug for as much as $100 million, monetizing the asset shortly before an FDA decision. The transaction gives Zealand more immediate financial certainty.
Karyopharm reportedly has roughly 1 month to preserve its plans to broaden its oncology business, putting the company under significant near-term strategic pressure. What happens next could determine whether Karyopharm can expand beyond its existing footprint or has to further narrow its ambitions and conserve capital.
With its post-IPO quiet period over, Hemab CEO Benny Sørensen says the company intends to grow beyond a single asset story and build a broader portfolio targeting coagulation disorders. The strategy matters because successfully developing multiple products would diversify Hemab's clinical risk and potentially transform it from a focused rare disease biotech into a larger hematology franchise.
A former Pfizer chemistry executive has launched Cardis Therapeutics, a new biotech focused on developing treatment for thyroid eye disease. The company enters a market where effective therapies exist but significant unmet need remains, giving a differentiated candidate room to compete if it can demonstrate better efficacy, safety, convenience, or durability.
An AI-powered clinical trial monitoring agent reportedly generated returns of as much as 82 times its implementation cost in an oncology setting. The figure will depend heavily on how ROI was calculated, but it illustrates why drug developers and CROs are increasingly interested in using AI for trial oversight, where identifying problems earlier can potentially save substantial time and money.
Those are all the biotech signals for today. Thanks for tuning into the Micromolar podcast.